Hi, I'm just going to do some work utilising the little iron upturned into a hot plate. I'm just going to take this orange wax and we'll put a nice orange background all over. This is number 3, my colour chart, I'm sure it is. I'm literally just melting that on there. Okay, remember, keep your fingers safe. And then you can take like number 12 for example, and you can let this get warm a little bit. I'm just like bouncing on and off. It'll mix together a little bit along the way. Slide that forward. A line there. And a line here. I'm not worrying that it's mixing together. It'll all add to the effect. And then I'll take a blue and I'm going to go in between. Nice size bit of blue wax this actually for what I'm doing. So I'm literally tapping it up and down. Just creating patterns, that's all. I've like gone twice on that one because I've gone both ways. Oops, dropped my blue. Don't worry. It's absolutely fine. And then if we want to, we can take like a yellow and we could write in it. So if you wanted, we could put like wax or something. Let's see if we can get wax in here. And yellow was a bit of a bad choice. Should have picked the darker colour, shouldn't I? But it gives you an idea. I'll just go back over it with a darker colour. There we go. There's various things we can do, or if we don't like that, we can take a bit of painting card and just tear it. And you're thinking, that's a bit of a waste. Doesn't matter. Got this nice edging. And we can work that and I'm just twisting the card. It's a bit like a peacock feather or something like that. So even when you think, oh, it's gone a bit wrong, it's not necessarily gone quite as wrong as you first thought. It makes a lovely background for a greetings card or something. There we go. Something a little bit different. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.